Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Optimism OP crypto token. And I will be using bybit. If you don't have an account on bybit, you can register from my link in the description. So right now I'm logged in, I'm inside assets and I'm in spot. And as you can see, I have some USDT available. If you don't have USDT, you can either buy it with fiat, so with a credit or debit card, or you can deposit it if you have it on another exchange. And right now you are going to need USDT. There are no other alternatives to buy the Optimism token on Bybit. And then you will see a search box right here. So I will search OP, and then you will see coin OP. And then you can see trade, so I'll click on trade, and then you can see OP USDT, so I will click right here. And then you will see a price, you will see an order book with lots of different selling orders and lots of different buying orders. And you can see spot buy right here, then it will be on limit. If you want to keep it on limit, you will have to set a price that you want to buy it for or sell it for if you want to sell it. So either you will type it in manually or you will click on a price that you can see in the order book. You can also switch to market right here, and the order book and the exchange will find a price for you automatically. So I will be using market, and then I will just drag this one and spend an amount of USDT. Let's say I want to spend 5 USDT approximately. So you can drag this, or you can just type in how much USDT you want to spend. And then you will see buy OP. So I will click right here. And then you will see order price, quantity, order value. And then I will click on buy OP. And the order has been submitted successfully, and the order has been filled partially. So you can go to trade history, and then you will be able to find your order. If you place a limit order, it might be under current orders, and you can cancel it and do whatever you want with that. So under trade history, you can see my orders right here, and they are completed and they have been filled. You can see assets. Now I have some OP tokens available right here. If you want to sell it, you can just go to the sell tab right here, and you can just drag this one. And let's say we want to sell 100% of OP tokens, then you can just click on sell OP and confirm it. And if you want to find your OP tokens, they will be under assets and inside your spot wallet. And that's how you buy the Optimism OP crypto token on Bybit exchange. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.